Do you know you can work more efficiently in worksheets by using drop-down lists in cells? Yes, drop-downs allow people to pick an item from a list that you create. Data entry is quicker and more accurate when you see a drop-down list to limit the entries people can make in a cell. When someone selects a cell, the drop-down list's down arrow appears and they can click it and make a selection. So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Enhance Your Skills. My name is Vikram and I am your online tutor. Today we are going to learn a beautiful function of Excel, how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. If you're excited about it, let's hit that thumbs up. So let's start. Let's take an example of one of the questionnaire received to the company to provide the headcount report for particular region and country. So currently the sheet has nothing. Okay, so they need to put it manually, like if the region is APAC, they need to select India and they need to mention 45. Like in India they have 45 headcounts. Okay, so we need this information for all the APAC and Europe region. Okay, but I want drop downs to be added in this list. Like if someone select this cell, then there should be a drop down mentioning the region and the country so that they can easily select and provide their numbers. So let's see how we can use this function in Excel. First of all, let me select the range. So this is my region, the cells which I need to have the drop down. Okay, then I will go to data, and under data we need to select data validation. Under this I have to go to the settings. We will select validation criteria list. Okay, in list we need to mention the source data. So I'll click this. Source means the backup data from where the value will be coming up under the drop down. So I'll select this source. Then I have to give the range. So I have this range in sheet 3 and this is the region column and this is the country column. So I'll select this, control shift drop down till the end and then enter, and then I will click OK. So if you see, we have a drop down here mentioning which region you need to pick. Like if I select Alt and press down cursor, then it is giving me two options. One is APAC and Europe. Okay, so like I am from the Europe, then I will select Europe, and if I am from APAC region, then I will click APAC. So this option will come to every cell to which we have applied this drop down function. Now next is we need countries. We need to follow the same steps. Okay, we will select the range in the column. We will go to data, then click data validation. Now we will go to settings. Under setting we will click validation criteria as a list, and then we will select source. This time in sheet 3 we will select countries. Control shift and down. We will select full column and click OK. Now if you see, first of all I will select Europe from here, then I will go to the country. So for Europe, which country I need, like I need Cuba, I will select Cuba. If I need Belgium, if I need Finland, then I will select Finland. Like for APAC, if I need Malaysia, then I will select Malaysia. So this information is readily available to the user, so they can pick directly from the drop down list. Now they can just select the number of headcount, like 45, 50, whatever they have their headcount in that particular country. They can fill this information very easily. Okay, now next function is like we need to fix this column. There should be some message when the user click into this cell. So in that case we need to go to again data. We will select the range. We will go to data, then we will go to data validation, and we will enter message. Like when some user click here, then the title should be region and message should be please select your region. Okay, now we'll enter OK. See, if you see, if user go to this cell, they already have the predefined message that in this region cell you have to select your region. This is one case. Now if I want to change the region, if I want to select Africa, it is giving me a default message that this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. Okay. If you want this message to be customized, so what you can do is you can select again the whole range, go to data, data validation, and then error alert. Title is again region, error message, please select your correct region. Okay, I'll select OK. Now if I go to Europe and instead of Europe I select Africa, then it will give me the customized message which I just entered, like for region, please select your correct region. Hope you find this information useful. Thanks. That's all in this video. Do provide us your feedback if you like this video. Let's meet you in our next video with some new tips. Till then, enhance your skills by keep learning. Bye bye.